Good, wonderful morning, everybody. Oh, she's excited. She's so excited. She was talking in the car when we got here, saying, "Daddy, we go for a hike, a real proper hike." Yep, we go for a hike. So we're in Highfield Falls. It's supposed to be a warm day again today. I think it's supposed to be 31 or 32, which is in the 90s Fahrenheit. It's probably around about low 90s Fahrenheit is what it's supposed to be. And of course, hills, because we're up in the trees here. We won't be in a second, we'll be down the bottom. When can you escape hills? You can't. Not around here. Cicadas are saying hello. Noisy critters. There's kangaroos here. So there's digging marks for kangaroos, and she reckons there are. Of course, we've got the long lead, and I am holding it, so it gives an extra, I don't know, 2/3 of a metre. Got to be careful that she doesn't roll in anything. She has rolled in stinky kangaroo poo here before. That was when we came down here with Wolf, I think it was. Some fluff that she's found. Something's dead. Some of you would remember that there was horses up here, and she got to say hello to the horses with Wolf. Everybody was very gentle. We can take a shortcut to the waterfall, straight down there, or go back up to a road which is down there. I think we'll just go down this way. Unless she wants to change her mind. So we're off to the waterfall. And here we have the waterfall. So she's already dipped her feet, already in the creek a bit further up. But this is what we came for. Big dipping of feet. As long as she doesn't get too close to the edge. Nice, watch yourself, sweetie. I want while you're going down there. Because that is a hell of a drop. Rocks aren't that slippery, so that's good. And here we are at the bottom of the falls. And the husky living on the edge. She wouldn't fall far, but still, trickling away. We haven't had strong rain for a while, so this will just be a little bit from the springs and a little bit of runoff. Not much. We got a sprinkle last night, but not enough to do anything. Enough to wet the ground, and that's about it. What's she after? Hiding behind a big rock. That's an old rock. Look how rounded it is. Solid stuff. Thousands of years old. And we're as far as we can go. So we'll head back. Your hot doggy. She just wants to explore. Oops. Oh. Yep, hot doggy. And there's a farmer's road up there. So they've got, well, can't see it at the moment, but last time we went as far as this, they had a no trespassing sign up private property, so people wouldn't use the road. But I can't see it at the moment. They might have pulled it down because nobody walks this far. This is not an official walking track, this bit. This is a fire break. So it's only cleared for fires. So that the fires don't keep on climbing up the hill. They can use the farmer's road to water this down and control any fires that come through. She's so happy. Look at her. She's like, oh, this is great idea to come down here, Dad. And those cicadas can be very noisy. Wolf wouldn't have liked that. She's putting up with it. She's more interested in going for the hike. We'll see you later, everyone. As I say, we've done the whole trail and a little bit more, because this last probably half a K, 1K is unofficial. It's not posted or anything like that. It's just purely a fire break. And she fell in another hole. She's just having too much fun. Not wearing where she's putting her back feet. She didn't care. She said, this is so good. So many different sniffs. We'll see you everyone. Take care. Have a fantastic day. We'll catch us later.